Tyler here with GPKNIVES, and today we have the Liong Mah Design GSD. This knife has a blade of CPM S35VN with a bi-directional satin finish. See that here, we've got vertical satin on the grinds and the swedge, and a horizontal satin on the flats. It's got a fairly robust blade thickness. You can see it's got a nice stout point here thanks to the high height saber grind on the blade. The swedge is going to give it a little more fine of a point. We've got some jimping on the spine of the blade, and you can see that the jimping is facing to the rear, so as you draw your finger down, or if you're just pressing flat on the blade, the jimping doesn't really dig in, but if you're pressing forward in order to stop the forward motion of your thumb on the blade, it really digs in there. See the S35VN designation etched on the blade and Liong Mah Design on the front. The knife rides on a ceramic ball bearing pivot, and you can see here that it flips very smoothly and quickly. And you can use this thumb hole to deploy the blade as well. The index flipper has some jimping, allowing for more traction, and is set up ergonomically in line with the handle. You can see this small cutout here on the back gives you plenty of access to that flipper. And in the open position, the flipper is actually hidden within the titanium frame, as you can see here. So it gives a very sleek and ergonomic overall design. The handles are made from titanium. In this case, it is black PVD coating with inlays of ivory micarta. This is the tuxedo variation. And if you can see here, there is a lightly tumbled look to that titanium. So it's not just a flat matte black. There is some texture on there. Got a little more jimping on the spine here. And overall, this knife is going to fit very well in the hand in a variety of grips. It's a very neutral and ergonomic design. And you can also see here that we've got a matching black titanium 3D machined pocket clip that can be set up for right or left hand tip up carry. And here you can see the GSD in my pocket. That titanium pocket clip provides secure carry and smooth deployment of the knife. It does put a fair amount of the knife above the line of the pocket, but it also gives you access to that small lanyard hole there. The knife deploys very quickly on the ceramic bearing pivot, and the slim profile and sleek design allows for access to other items in the pocket while carrying. The GSD does come in two variations, one with the black PVD titanium and ivory G10. The other has an orange peel ply finish titanium with carbon fiber inlays, and you can see that one here. So you can see it has a very fine orange peel-like texture on all titanium in the handle, as well as matching the pocket clip, and a nice large weave carbon fiber. And for a quick size comparison, we have the GSD with the Paramilitary 2. You can see that these knives are fairly close in length, with the GSD coming in at a little bit shorter overall. The blade length is actually a little longer on the GSD in terms of cutting edge, and when factoring in that index finger choil, you're looking at just about the same length overall. So between these two, you're going to get more cutting edge in a smaller overall package in the GSD. Handle length on these is going to be fairly similar, with the GSD coming in a little bit shorter, but the actual functional area of that handle is going to be very similar on the two. Thickness is going to go, in this case, to the GSD, being just a little bit thicker overall. You can see that here. Look at the clip side. So the overall thickness is a little bit higher, and then with the pocket clip, you're also looking at a little increase in width thanks to the 3D machined type pocket clip. And the GSD is going to be an excellent size for an everyday carry utility knife that can take some really hard use. You can also look at the difference in blade thickness on these two, so you can see that the GSD is a little thinner towards the handle, but with a much more robust tip than the Paramilitary. Again, that's the Liong Mah designed GSD, produced by Reate Knives. You can check it out now at gpknives.com. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp. If you like what you've seen today and you'd like to see more, check out the rest of our YouTube channel videos, like the video below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel feed for updates on all new videos.